shoulders that look out on the world, pretending I was big and tall like you. When you were there to hold me, I never was afraid. You made me feel there's nothing I can't do. If I'd spread my wings to fly when I was very small, I knew that you'd be standing by to catch me if I'd fall. You're my hero, chasing the monsters from my room, going on trips around the moon, the one who's always been there faithfully. You're my hero, cause you're my dad, and twice as blessed and lucky to be me. As I kept getting older, we often disagreed, but you let me find myself in my own way. And it's funny how just lately I've come to recognize how wise you are.